our 23rd founding anniversary. I would like to congratulate the members of the Royal Court headed by King Paul Ashley and Queen Santia Ira. Thank you so much also to their proud parents, their teachers, sponsors, and their supporters. To all other parents who are here with us, and all the government officials who are with us this afternoon, thank you for the show of support. To our visitors and special guests, thank you for the gift of presence. As we pay tribute to the Royal Court, we prepared some activities for all of us to enjoy this afternoon. Another product of the skillful hands of able mentors and the teachable spirit of our learners. To all our teachers who are unwavering in their commitment to teach, to coach, and to serve, congratulations again for a job well done. Happy anniversary and mabuhay tayong lahat. Thank you very much, ma'am. And now, let's also welcome Engineer Chador Enrique, the Vice National